BAFTAs 2018, Helena Bonham awkwardly kisses James Ivory's shoulder following his big win. BAFTA viewers were left in hysterics after watching Helena Bonham awkwardly kiss James Ivory's shoulder in an attempt to congratulate him on his win. Helena was caught in a rather unusual situation when she tried to kiss James Ivory shortly after he was announced the winner of a BAFTA award. The actress, who accompanied the legendary filmmaker on the red carpet, was delighted when James was called for the Best Adapted Screenplay Award for his film Call Me By Your Name. But as James rose to collect his trophy, his dear friend Helena, who was sat beside him, suffered a disastrous mishap as she attempted to congratulate him. Clearly excited about his gong, James rushed to collect his trophy on stage. Unfortunately, as he did so, he accidentally swerved Helena, who was trying to give him a peck on the cheek. For a moment the pair awkwardly fumbled in front of the camera before Helena quickly placed a kiss on the corner of his blazer. James was then escorted to the stage by Timothy Chalamet, who played Elio in the award-winning film. The peculiar moment didn't go unnoticed with viewers at home. Many took to Twitter to share their thoughts on the debacle. One person wrote, "That awkward moment when you go to kiss someone on the cheek and it goes horribly wrong #BAFTA." Another added, "That Helena Bonham Carter jacket kiss is the quality content I tuned in for #BAFTAs #BAFTAs." A third joked, "I love the awkward, is it a handshake? Hug? High five? Kiss? When the winner is going up to the stage?" While another posted, "Helena Bonham Carter should also win an award for most awkward kiss of the night, she got James Ivory's shoulder." A fifth said, "Oh no, that Helena Bonham Carter kiss attempt there was hella awkward." This year's BAFTA ceremony was hosted by Joanna Lumley, who wore a regal black outfit for the prestigious event. Winners on the night included Gadi Oldham for his portrayal of Winston Churchill in The Darkest Hour. Daniel Kaluuya took home the Rising Star trophy and let slip a secret about the awards event. The Get Out star revealed that winners have a countdown for their speeches to make sure they are not on stage for too long.